So this is probably going to be the stereo that I would have to use. I had some other ones, but I gave them away at the Hamfest. And I have a Harman Kardon in the house, and it has like the preamp output where you can interrupt it before it goes into the power amp. I do have one of those. But I gave away all the other stereos that had the preamp on them. And then the other one's being used. So this one does have that, I think. Probably like 7.1 preamp out. I don't need that. I just need the front speakers. This probably would be pretty good to run with that thing. So I'm just trying to think if the Harman Kardon is, if you want to use the preamp on the HK, you can't use the power amp. It's one of those kind. And I'm just trying to think of how that would be beneficial. Other than, like, you could take that radio and use that power amp with it. You know, basically. But I don't see what the point would be. And like this, I could actually use the amp in this and the preamp out to power the other monoblock amplifier. And that's all that other amplifier is. It's 2 monoblock amps inside of one case. At least that's what my research has led me to believe. Let's see what we got there. We have a multi-channel in, which is pretty cool. Oh, there's some multi-channel in 1 and 2. Wow. Interesting. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see, 2, 4. That's 5.1. And then this one is 2, 4, 6. 6.1. I don't know why they didn't label it. This one here doesn't have A and B speakers. It's got front. It's got surround. It's got center. And then surround back. Or it can be a second room, I think. Pre-out right here. Front. Surround, center, or surround back right. Surround back, or surround back left. Subwoofer. I think there's more than one subwoofer. It doesn't say though. So this will work pretty good for that. And this thing sounds really good. I mean, this isn't like your normal type of Sony. They said that they basically put their flagship amp into an economy unit. And this is the STR db1070. I have the STR db 950, and I think it sounds better than this one. But they both are pretty good and pretty amazing for a Sony. I wish you guys could see inside of here. It's pretty cool. It's like everything is gold labeled caps that are, if you know what those are, then I don't need to tell you. Alright, well, so basically this is the only RCA cables I could find. These are, I bought these quite a while back, 2019. These are composite, and they're bonded together, and I really don't want to divide them up. Although, I mean, I don't know. The other thing too is these are really unmanageable. Now, this is what they used to give you when you ordered certain things from certain companies would give you these. And like your cable provider or something would give you a set-top box, and they would give you these. So these used to be really common, and that was when composite video was the thing. I don't do anything 4K, so I don't know what the limitations of composite video was, but I don't remember it being that bad, but maybe it was. I also don't remember the single yellow wire being that bad. But I am having a shortage of RCA cables, and I'm probably going to have to use these. Good Lord. I looked all over. All right, I got it all hooked up. I got the amplifier hooked up to the preamp output. This Scottish amplifier. It's a Linn AV5105. There are 2 mono block independent channel amplifiers in this thing, apparently. These are supposed to be pretty well regarded. I don't know why it was so cheap, but it works. I saw another one today, a Niles, which it looked kind of like an Advent, but it was funny because there was a remote taped to it. It was mistakenly a Hunter ceiling fan remote. Anyway, somebody thought it went to that. This one here has got like one of their flagship amplifiers, I guess, supposedly. That's what I've read. And this STR db1070 sounds really, really, really good on 2-channel. But don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about the remote, the other extra stuff. Man, if you hook up the rest of the speakers, it sounds like crap. There's also, you can assign part of it to another room. But man, just use the front 2 channels and forget about it, man. It's got an equalizer, which is kind of cool. You can either turn it on or off. It's second room. That's what I'm talking about. This thing, just forget that it has like 7.1 or whatever, because the rest of it is crap. Where's the tone? Oh. So you can change the frequency of it. Front treble. Where did it go? And you can change the dB. Front mid. Frequency. The dB. Front bass. This is just what it's set to. I haven't messed with it. Anyway, it's kind of a parametric EQ, I guess. You got bass, mid, and treble, and you can select a frequency and the dB. That's pretty cool. Anyway, this is running these speakers over here. I need to move one of them somewhere else because it's not stereo if I'm standing over here. Anyway. Got this one going here. Got some music on the tablet. And, yeah. Pretty cool. Anyway. It's 8:30, New Year's Eve. We'll catch you guys later.